3, 2, 1. Now we're on. Hey everyone. So today I got a little surprise for you. We're going to take this Tesla Model 3 Performance out and see what the 0 to 60 time is. We're going to do it with the factory wheels, which are 20-inch wheels that come on it from the factory. But we're also going to switch the wheels out with a much lighter wheel and see if the light wheels make any difference on the performance. And since driving any car at a high rate of speed can be dangerous and tricky, decided we should have an expert here. So for today, we have a special guest, Elon Musk. Thank you for being here.
Hey, welcome.
So I wanted to see how fast these Teslas are.
See what a Tesla can do.
Yeah, I figured we can go out on a stretch of desert road, see what this bad boy can do. Why don't we just get a long stretch of empty road and just nail this sucker?
Dangerous. Yeah, it's a terrible idea.
I know, but it's okay because you built the safest car on the planet, right? Am I right? I mean, aren't these the best cars being produced today?
It's not exactly a car. It's actually a thing to maximize enjoyment. Better than anything else.
But you think I'm pretty crazy for wanting to do this.
Pretty crazy. Living on the edge. Haha, Darwin's not going away.
Ha. But what about YOLO?
Oh, yeah, sure. Haha.
Well, let's go find some road and maximize our enjoyment.
That sounds great. We should probably do a video or something.
Absolutely. Let's get a couple of cameras on this. And I'll let you drive first. And maybe you should change to go out racing around.
Fine. How fast do you want to go? Sit there and be quiet. Hang on.
Okay, sure.
At 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, I felt that one on my neck a little bit. That was a good launch. So hey, let's go back. We'll change the wheels. And it's my turn now. We'll do it again.
That sounds great.
There's 60. So what'd you think about that one?
That was really great.
That was a pretty good launch. I think we may have gotten a little faster. I've definitely felt that one in my neck a little bit more, I think. Let's head back and we'll check the times. How well do you think we did with those wheels?
The wheels work pretty well.
So hey, what do you say we stop and get something to eat on the way home?
That sounds great.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty hungry. All right, we're back. And as you can see, those wheels did make a bit of a difference. The lighter wheels, maybe the better traction on the rear tires, maybe that made a difference. I don't know. But what I do know is we're celebrating with a little bit of tequila. How's your drink?
I think it's quite strong.
Well, how about just a little bit more? This is some pretty good tequila. This is from Mexico, and it's what we drink here on the border. There we go. Just a little bit. All right, and I'm gonna have a little bit more too in mine. All right, here we go. All right, so what'd you think overall? These cars are pretty fast. I mean, they're unbelievably super fast, and everything about it, the suspension, the control of the car, it's just amazing. But if I got pulled over at those speeds, I mean, is that a felony speeding ticket?
Yeah. Put this on your permanent record.
Right. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea to be taking these cars too fast out on the road. Best to go to a track, do it where it's legal, do it where it's safe, and wear a helmet. Don't be like me. And don't be like Cardboard Elon either. But these cars are designed and controlled by software, right? So that means it's not like the old cars where you can rebuild the engines, they put larger camshafts in them, bigger carburetors to get more fuel in there with larger valves and, you know, higher compression. They did all this stuff on these engines to get these cars to go faster. But what about this? What could I do if I wanted this car to go faster?
We're gonna put rocket thrusters on it.
Yeah, rocket thrusters. Now that would be awesome. But man, might be too fast. I'd be afraid to crash out on these roads at that speed.
It's better not to crash.
I know, right? Well, it was a great afternoon. And I just wanted to say thank you for being here. And it was great meeting you.
Yeah, likewise.
Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun to make. I had a couple of video clips where I was just out playing around, testing the 0 to 60 speed, and had one with the original wheels, then I had another one with the new wheels that I put on it. So anyway, not hugely scientific. Batteries are at different states of charge, stuff like that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it though. It was a lot of fun to make, and I decided to bring Cardboard Elon along for the ride. Actually, I have two of them. So anyway, if you like this, I have more videos coming up. Please click subscribe right up here somewhere and click the notifications so you'll know when I upload some more. All right, thanks again for watching.